Welcome back. EG Force is our human resource and employee management system. It provides managers and HR partners with all the tools they need to help their employees succeed and protect the company's interests. The platform is key to how we work together. EG Force has three main purposes. First, it's how we collaborate with you. This is where all of your company's HR policies reside. Having one place to reference those items is key to using the most current one. These documents are updated regularly throughout the year. Second, it supports HR administration. It helps us capture needed information and acknowledgments from new employees and allows you to initiate support with EG, track progress, document actions, and upload documents securely. Many records have automations that minimize the burden of HR administration. Last but not least, it provides powerful tools to help you optimize employee performance. For decades, we studied employee performance issues that are difficult for managers to address. These challenges were found among all employers, from blue collar to professionals. EG Force performance tools are aimed at solving those challenges. With that, the rest of this presentation will overview the tools and organization in EG Force. Tasks in EG Force show our collaboration and create transparency for leadership. They help us stay on track. My tasks are any tasks assigned to you. There are times when you need to do something to help us complete our objective, such as collecting an important document from an employee or approving an update to a policy. In this case, we assign you a task. The benefit is that you'll receive an automated notification each week showing you what needs to be done. This minimizes email volume for you. You can also see your tasks on the My Task page. My team's tasks will show leadership any tasks of their team members so they have confidence in what's going on. On this slide, we're looking at how we support companies that have multiple locations. A business owner or a corporation can have multiple places of business that have different operations, different regional regulations, different policies, and different safety concerns. We manage the record of each location to ensure that owners can see employees by location, policies specific to that location, which medical clinics they use for workplace injuries, and so on. Clicking any of the links will take you directly to the record where you can see more information. When you click on the Employee tab, you'll see all employees under your reporting chain or that you've been granted access to specifically. You can select the list view control to change your view if you want to see only your employees, all active or inactive. The first time you land on the page or any page in EG Force, you may not see any information displayed. That's because the list view filter defaults to recently viewed. Change it to your preferred view and lock it in by clicking the push pin button. The new button allows HR partners to create a new employee record and request an enrollment packet for EG to send. We have a separate training on that process. If you click on the employee's last name, it will take you directly to their profile. The employee profile is where we store the employee data, file documents, and create records that document the employment relationship. The employee profile is organized by tabs to make the details and records easy to find. The dashboard tab will provide managers with immediate insight into an employee's trending performance. The direct reports tab will show you who reports to that employee. The performance tab is where you can create each type of performance record in seconds. The Files tab is where you can upload and organize documents. The Cases tab will show you what is happening with the employee concerns, such as leaves of absence, accommodations, and injuries. The Certifications tab will show you the status of any certification the employee needs to stay current with. HR partners can edit the employee information as needed. Names change, contact information changes, and so do managers, as a few examples. You can record a new element and request a leave of absence support from the employee profile. The Global Performance tab allows you to see all employee performance records. The page has subtabs for each performance tool. Elements are the foundation of employee performance management. They serve as a diary to quickly capture the details of employee performance, good or bad. They also serve as a communication system for managers to show appreciation and provide feedback in writing to the employee. Because they're so important, we have created shortcut links to each type of element on the homepage and performance page. Each element type has a button that guides the manager through documenting exactly what is needed for the specific concern. Job standards define expectations by position, job duty, or globally. EG will work with your company to develop these to support proactive performance reviews. Job standards are compared to an employee's actual performance using the Mentor Memo tool. A mentor memo is a record used to proactively document manager feedback to an employee regarding a specific job standard. It supports annual performance reviews, but can be used as often as a manager needs to develop new skills and evaluate ongoing performance. Click the New button to create the record, connect the job standard, schedule the review, and document the feedback session. A performance improvement is a record used to document discipline formally by having the employee sign the document produced. Click the New button to create the record and provide details needed for EG to finalize the record. We have additional training on all the performance tools in EG Force. Changes in relationship is a record to document the separation of employment. Employer's Guardian will create this record when you need to terminate and produce separation documents for you to deliver. Click on the termination name to upload the signed documents after the termination. The Global Policies tab allows you to see all HR documents. The page has subtabs for each type. Click on the record name link to access the details and storage folder. Reports allow you to extract data maintained in the system and nerd it up in spreadsheet land. There are hundreds of relevant reports organized in folders. Reports are also organized by recent, created by me, private reports, and all. Use the search bar if you know the name of the report to get the fastest results. Click New Report if you want to build one from scratch. The odds are what you want has already been built. Let us know if you need help customizing or creating a new report. Knowledge is where we store helpful resources for our partners. This includes help articles for using the tools in EG Force, articles on best practices in HR and management, updates from EG on enhancements and regulation changes. We have several training modules that we'll deliver to you via EG Learn Bridge. Mastering these processes is key to helping your company maximize employee performance and minimize liabilities. Notice each module is no longer than 11 minutes. This helps make the training digestible. Thank you for your participation. For assistance with this process, please contact asmith@employersguardian.com or give us a call.